What's up, y'all? This your girl Kitty. Today is Saturday, September 15th, 2012, and I just thought I'd do a quick video. As you can see, my head is wrapped in my satin scarf. What I did last night was I shampooed my hair with Giovanni Deep Moisture shampoo, and actually after I shampooed it, I detangled it. I sectioned it into actually I did 4 sections. Sectioned it off into 4. Shampooed, deep conditioned, rinsed that out. Then I detangled with the conditioner in. Once I detangled, I plaited it, rinsed out the conditioner. Once I took out the conditioner, I went ahead and did my 2 Strand Twists. Y'all know I love my twists. So what I did was I'm gonna take my scarf off so you can see exactly what I did. So I tie it up at night with my satin scarf. If I don't use my satin scarf, I use my satin pillowcase. So as you can see, I did a Flexi-Rod Set on my 2 Strand Twists to give it that more defining curls. And before I put my satin cap on, I have this mesh net that I put on my head. As you can see, these are the Flexi-Rods. I use the small and medium size. This is the front, the right side, the back, the left side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Flexi-Rods out and kind of play with it and see how I want to style it. So we'll see. I'm going to start with, for some reason I always start with the back of my head. I guess maybe that's just, you know, from back in the days when I was going to beauty school. Yes, I did go to cosmetology school for a while. So we were taught to start at the back when you're rolling your hair. So I unroll it the same way I roll it. Hopefully it's dry. Oh, another thing. Since I'm out of my Shea Ambler by Afroveda, which is this stuff, I love this product. It smells good and it does wonders on my hair. It moisturizes really good. But I'm out, so I have to restock. So since I'm out of that, and the beauty supply place where I normally get it from, they're out, so I had to wait a few weeks. But I was desperate, so I had to get something temporary to do my twist outs. So I said, well, I'm gonna go ahead and try it since I need something right now. And it's As I Am. It's called Twist Defining Cream. Let me open it up so you guys can see. So it smells good, but I'm gonna be honest, this product, it doesn't work well on my hair as the Shea Ambler. The Shea Ambler, it doesn't leave a gritty residue on my hair like the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. So again, like I said, I was desperate. I needed something for moisture. So don't get me wrong, it does moisturize my hair for the time being, but I just don't like the residue that it leaves after maybe a few days. So maybe what I'll do is I'll give this to someone else, because remember, our hair is different. Not everybody's hair texture is going to be the same, or your porosity level is going to be the same. So my hair is very porous, which means it sucks up a lot of moisture. So again, just because it leaves buildup on my hair, it doesn't mean that it's going to leave buildup on your hair or somebody else's hair. So I'm just going to find somebody to give it to. Maybe it'll work better for them. It's just not going to work for me. But again, when I was doing my 2 strand twist, I went ahead and applied some of the twist defining cream. I started at the ends first, and I worked my way up to the shaft and the root. I twisted, and then I put in the rods. So we're gonna see how this comes out. So I'm gonna take the rods down first, and then I'll separate the 2 strand twist. So I'll come back once all of the rods are out and show you guys how, you know, my curl pattern is with the Flexi-rods. Okay? Okay. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that September 13th, 2012 made 2 years and 7 months since my last relaxer. Yay! So almost to my 3-year mark of being natural. I'm excited. I'm loving my journey. I'm still enjoying my hair. So as you can see, I took all of the Flexi-rods out. This is the front, the right side, the back, the left. What I'm gonna do is split them apart. Undo the 2 strand twists. And once I undo the 2 strand twists, I'll probably separate them again. And how I do that, I just start at the top and unravel. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for some fall weather. It's been nice out here in Dallas. Weather is nice. Yesterday it was a nice cool breeze. So I might go to the park today. I'm not sure. Okay, let's do this one. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Let's see the front. And you know, over time, if I just let the curls fall, they're going to expand and give me that fuller look anyway. So I may not have to separate again. I may just separate them even further, like towards the back in this middle area, to give it that fuller look, more body. I don't know yet. Let me see. Please don't mind the noise. That's the neighbor with their shower. Now these are more fuller, so I'm gonna separate that. See? I'm just kind of feeling for, you know, other strands that I may have left out, since I can't see the back of my head. And normally when I twist my hair, I don't part it, but this time I parted it, so we'll see what happens. So I gotta fluff it out to get some of these parts out. But I'm liking what I see so far. I think I'm gonna leave the curls a little tighter, because that way it'll last longer over time. Again, they're gonna expand. Let's see. Just kind of play with. This one right here. Now, all of them are untwisted. I'm just gonna fluff it with my hands. Oh, here we go. Left that out. Ah, I knew something was wrong with that area. Here's another one. So, because this side looks fuller than this area, I may wind up pinning it up. Let's see. Brush. Bobby pin. is a large one. Kind of fluff that. I don't know. I like it. This piece here it's cool. I could pin this side up too. Okay. Voila. I like. And over time, again, during the week, I'm gonna probably play with it again. I might do like a headband or a scarf or something. But this is the front. The right side. The back, the left. I am ready to go. So, till next time, peace and blessings.